For Geneva Rust-Orta.
Hello. Hey. I came into some money recently, which is really exciting. I'm very fortunate. I have a grandma who's willing to pay her grandchildren to be more lovable. So she paid my cousin to lose weight. And then she paid my other cousin to stop smoking cigarettes. And she pays my brother not to drink too much. And I'm the last one. And I was starting to think that I would never have a habit that was bad enough where she'd be willing to pay me to stop doing it. So what I did was I came up with my own nasty habit. And what I've been doing is beating her up. She's tiny, so it's really easy money. It's good. I'm a gaby. I have two moms, two beautiful moms, obviously lesbians. So they're beautiful on the inside. I have one mom who's really attractive, really feminine. She always looks really nice. And then I have another mom who usually you can't see because she's off scratching her back on a door frame somewhere. So that's good. So I was conceived through artificial insemination, which is crazy because I look so much like a real person. But I am fake. But just to mess with my parents, my first word was dada. They were like, she's just making sounds. So then my second word was, no, seriously, where is my father? They didn't know what to tell me because I was really young, so they didn't know what I was ready to hear about or know about, so they just said, your father is dead. He died in childbirth. Because men are weak. I'm from Oakland, so my family really isn't like that weird. I think there is a lot of ideas about lesbians that they're all the same. I think there's this idea that every lesbian loves anything feminine, anything female. So when I got my period, I thought my mom was going to be like, you must go and tell the trees. It will help them remember their song. But my mom was just like, then maybe don't sit on the nice couch. She's a bougie lesbian. So pretty normal, like pretty standard for them. My parents fell in love, started a family, got divorced. They're separated now. I'm not mad at them about it because I think it would be silly for me to blame other people for something that's all my fault. They're divorced and remarried to 2 new women, so I have 4 Jewish moms. It's awesome. I think it's fantastic. I think the only thing that would be better than having 4 Jewish moms would be having just the first 2 that I started with. But I have the next best thing of 4 moms and an older brother, so I'm the black sheep of the family because I'm the only one who likes cock. Which is weird. I don't really know what to do about it. I tried dating. I tried to be serious about dating, so I slept with an older man because I thought if things went really well, he could give me away at my wedding. Things didn't go very well, though. He told me I was patronizing, which I thought was adorable. I think that's